Sure, eating food's great, but it also makes for some fantastic pranking material. And lucky for you, we've got some hilarious food pranks. Fresh out of the oven. Is it really Monday again? Hey, I look alright. Hello, Mr. Toothbrush. No way. There's nothing left in this thing? Classic. What can I squeeze out of here? Come on. There's gotta be something left. Ugh. All I need is a little bit more. Ugh. I ought to teach my roommate a lesson. Why should she get the last of the toothpaste? See this tube of toothpaste? Cut it open on the end. Now you can fill it with anything. Even ooey gooey hazelnut spread. Oh yeah! Once you're done, place some wax paper on the opening. And once it's stable, run a hot iron over it. Looks good as new, right? Looks like Emma's having a good morning. Why do people hate Mondays anyway? Now, where's the toothpaste? Looking for this? Sucker. I gotta hear this. Uh-oh. She's not even looking. This toothpaste tastes a lot like… chocolate? Huh? Ah! It worked! Lana! I gotta slow her down. Oh. I am so getting her back for this. Huh. This stuff sure tastes good, though. Maybe she's onto something here. Nothing like a little quiet time, huh? Wow! Emma! Doesn't this ice cream look good? You're closer to the kitchen. Aw, come on, Emma! Pretty, please. You're so pretty. Okay, fine. I'll be right here when it's ready. She's so lazy. And I hate scooping this stuff. What are these doing here? Think I could have a little fun? When you microwave marshmallows, you can make them do anything. Even disguise them as ice cream. Look how gooey they got. Take it out in a clump and roll it as if it's dough. Once it's in a ball like this, you can put it into a cone. Then bring on all the toppings. The more the better. Don't forget the sprinkles. Looks like real ice cream, right? Wow! Does that thing look perfect or what? Eee! Is this supposed to happen? What kind of ice cream is this? What? You don't like marshmallows? Cause you just got a mouthful! I knew this tasted familiar. Give me some of that. Hope I mixed this well enough. In you go. Time's almost up. Sounds like my first batch is ready. They turned out fantastic. Double chocolate chunk for the win! Hope this second batch turns out as good. I'm out already? Annie's baking again? My mouth's watering already. Ooh, hot! Cool down. Emma! What are you doing? I'm not even sorry. We'll just see about that. Take a piece of double-sided tape. Stick it to a flat surface. And peel off its backing. Put the bowl of flour on top. Now for the fun. Hey, Emma. Can you hand me the flour? Hey! It's stuck! I can't move it! Consider yourself floured! That was perfect! It's everywhere! You look like a flower monster! All for a bite of a muffin, huh? Someone get this girl a towel! That ought to keep you out of my kitchen! Bakers are mean! Ever feel like you're talking to a wall?
Million miles of printed circuits.
Whoa, this website is awesome!
Next to my complex.
And then I dropped all the groceries. Hey! Just 1 second, okay? Oh, hi! Seriously? So much for a fun lunch out. 2 tacos, miss. Thank you. These are gonna get cold. That just gave me the best idea. She wants to leave me waiting? She may think twice about that next time. Giant gummy worms taste great in tacos, right? Get nice and cozy, little buddy. Perfect! She'll never even know. Is she coming back? Totally, yeah. Bye. These look good! And they smell even better. Oh! What is that? Ah! This thing has a worm in it! Scared of a little candy, huh? Is this funny to you? I'm gonna hurl. This lunch is super fun after all! I'm one step closer to being a professional baker. Now to perfect my frosting skills. What's all this? Oh, is that frosting? I'll enjoy my snacks in the other room. That looks yummy too! Ooh. Yep, definitely taking that with me. The nerve of that girl! And she left all her groceries. Silly girl. Someone earned themselves a little treat. Ever notice that toothpaste looks like frosting? The white kind sure does. That looks pretty good. But it tastes pretty awful. Ugh. Let's spread this around a bit. Not quite as smooth as frosting. But with a little patience, it'll start to look a bit better, see? Everything looks good with sprinkles. Naomi! What now? I made a cake just for you. Wow! This is so sweet of you! I bet it tastes amazing! Oh yeah. Huh? Something's funky about this. Is that minty freshness I smell? Thanks a lot! You should have seen your face! Wow! Is there anything better than cheesecake? The big piece is for you, girl. And I have special forks for us. First, I got a ball of dough. Then I rolled it out flat like this. And once it got nice and smooth, I placed a fork on top. Once it hardened, I turned it over. But to make it look more real, it had to get that perfect gold hue. Who knew food coloring could look so real? Once I got painting, it was done in no time. They look pretty similar, right? You gonna give me that fork or what? Hello? Earth to Emma! Here you go! Finally getting the first bites! Naomi? What? Am I chewing on fork right now? It's totally edible, see? And tasty, too. Oh, nice! Sorry, Mom, but playing with our food sure is fun. Which of these pranks will you try first? Be sure to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube page so you never miss out on the fun!